High Commissioner, His Excellency Mr. Navdeep Suri, distinguished guests who taken time to come here to join us to celebrate the 70th Independence Day of India. Every year we get together to invigorate our patriotism, our pride and belongingness. I think to do the justice to the spirit of this celebration, we need to take something out of today's events when we go back to our homes tonight. Of course, I'm not talking about the laddus which we'll be getting in a few minutes. I'm talking about the sense of eternal independence. Before I get to that, I just share a very small story with you about a boy called Narendranath Datta. He was having a debate with his teacher regarding the existence of God, and he was insisting that God is the sole creator of everything and He's created everything. And his teacher replied that if God created everything, that means God created evil as well. And that boy gave a very beautiful answer, and he said, before I answer your question, sir, I need to ask you two questions. Do you agree the cold exists? Cold as in weather? And teacher said, of course it does. That's why we wear jumpers and we fire up the heaters. And then he said, does the darkness exist? And the teacher said, what kind of question is that? Of course it does. And the boy gave a beautiful answer. He said, in my opinion, the cold doesn't exist. It is just the absence of heat. And same way, darkness doesn't exist. It is absence of light. And similarly, God did not create evil. It is the absence of kindness, love, and compassion, which are the virtues of God. Ladies and gentlemen, that man was no other than the greatest philosopher of all time. His name was Narendranath Datta, who grew up to become Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda gave us a different perspective to see evil. And this is what I wish we can take from this event tonight. When we come across somebody who in our opinion can be categorized as evil, take a pause, think twice, and think that he is deprived of certain virtues which probably we can share. And when we will start practicing this gesture, this will evolve us from the captivity of perceptions, the imprisonment of the perceptions about people, about cultures, about religions. And continuous practice of this gesture will give us true independence, the eternal freedom. And we will be able to attain a mindset which is referred in Gurbani as Na koi peri, na hai begana, sagal sam humko banayai, which means nobody is enemy, not even a stranger, and we are friends with everybody. Thank you very much.